System errors causing the qt5charts library DLL crashes in Qt project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the qt5charts library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the qt5charts library, the qt5charts module. It provides unmanaged localized routines for rendering localized hardware-accelerated localized charts and localized graphs within localized applications built on the localized qt5 localized framework. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. It's important to note that qt5charts library DLL is installed as part of Qt project and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt project from the official source will restore the correct version of qt5charts library to your PC. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qt5charts library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of qt5charts library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with qt5charts library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve qt5charts library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.